Welcome, Mom. Is your life good so far? While I hope it is good, the back person will speak.
Hello, did you know who made this? Your son, and he made this breaking news for you while he did. Anyways, I have to go back to the backstage. Action. Bye.
Bye.